we're going to learn how to say our own meditation. And the topic for this week is focused awareness. So you could be anywhere. You could be out in a field like I am. You could have lots of noise. You could have traffic going past. You could have children screaming, making lots of noise, as we actually do have a bit here in the background. And the idea of being able to create your own meditation is you don't need to rely on having to have your iPod with you, MP3 player or phone or any device. If you know how to do a meditation, you can say it for yourself wherever you are in the world. You could be lying on a beach, you could be at home. Maybe you've just woken up in the morning and you're just trying to wake up and refresh yourself. Think about the day ahead. Maybe you are just about to go to sleep. So, with a focused awareness, you can choose to look around your surroundings, be aware of where you are, what is around you, and then maybe just choose one thing to look at. So for myself, there are lots of shrubs and bushes around here, so I could choose to just look at this tree in front of me and focus. And once you've chosen something for your gaze to go upon, then you can open up your ears and just listen out for any sound that's around you. If you're in your room at home, what sounds can you hear in your room? What sounds can you hear beyond your room? I'm standing in a field, so I can hear the trees. I can hear the leaves whistling and moving in the trees, and I can hear the birds tweeting. It's lovely. If I was to focus on some of the farm animals, maybe I would turn around and focus on a sheep. One of those lovely sheep that are enjoying the sun and sunbathing. So, a focused awareness is one of my favorite meditations, and the reason is because it is so easy to do. All you need to do is to count from 15 in reverse order back to 1. You could choose to count from just 5 to 1, 10 to 1, or 15 to 1. So today I'm going to count us from 15 to 1, and all you do is breathe in and then breathe out. And sometimes when we are so caught up with everything that's going around us, it can be easy to fall into the trap of maybe hyperventilating and panicking and having shallow breaths, and we just forget to breathe. So the benefit of a focused awareness meditation is that it makes you aware of your breath, and you're actually focusing your concentration and attention on your breathing. And you can breathe in and then breathe out, and then you can choose to say to yourself something that's relaxing or something that's positive and uplifting for you. And one that I like to use is breathe in calm, breathe out peace. But you can choose whatever words you want, so you can substitute it. So let's do this focused awareness meditation together. So find somewhere that's comfortable. Oh, and I forgot to say, if you don't know, my name is Alice, and it's lovely of you to join me. I'm so pleased that you're here. So find somewhere that's comfortable, where you can truly relax and feel at ease. If you like, you may close your eyes. Find something around you to focus on. It could be a candle that you light, and you want to focus on the flicker of the flame. Or it could be a vase of flowers. It could be anything that you choose. So we're going to begin now. Breathe in peace and breathe out calm. Now you can say these words to yourself at the speed that is suitable for you, and you want to match your natural breathing rate. So don't try to force your breath. There's no need to try and breathe slower or to breathe faster. Just breathe what's normal for you. And if you are having difficulty with breathing, then what you could do is use your belly breath. So put your hand on your belly like that. Put your hand on your belly, and as you breathe in, feel your stomach expanding like a balloon. So let the air come in as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, you can feel your hand being pushed closer against your body. So breathe in, breathe out. And let's start with counting. We'll count from 15 back to 1. 15. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 14. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 13. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 12. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 11. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 10. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 9. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 8. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 7. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 6. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 5. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 4. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. 3. Breathe in peace. And breathe out calm. 2. Breathe in peace. And breathe out calm. 1. Breathe in peace. And breathe out calm. 0. And in your own time, if you have closed your eyes, you may slowly open your eyes, wiggle your feet and wriggle your toes, and now become aware of your surroundings. And you may like to take this opportunity to set your intentions for the day ahead or for the night. Thank you for joining me.